Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into meeting. 8 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Forum, which means a meeting or medium where ideas and views on a particular issue can be exchanged. Forum. For example, forums were held for staff to air grievances and make suggestions. Number 2. Convention, which means a large meeting or conference, especially of members of a political party or a particular profession or group. Convention. For example, the annual convention of the Institute of Directors. Number 3. Assembly, which means a group of people gathered together in one place for a common purpose. Assembly. For example, the Council of Nicaea was the largest assembly of bishops hitherto. Number 4. Conference, which means a formal meeting of people with a shared interest, typically one that takes place over several days. Conference. For example, an international conference on the environment. Number 5. Summit, which means a meeting between heads of government. Summit. For example, it was agreed that the treaty would be signed at the next superpower summit. Number 6. Gathering, which means an assembly or meeting, especially one held for a specific purpose. Gathering. For example, she rose to address the gathering. If you liked the video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for similar videos.